All right, welcome back to another 6-minute quick win here at B2B Sales Magic. And the question for you today is, suppose you wrote a LinkedIn post and it hooked a lot of people, like the algorithm blessed you that day. So how do those people read more about your topic, like immediately? Well, you might say they're just going to have to click follow and wait for your next post, but that's not immediate. I mean, most of us don't post every single day and definitely not on the same topic, right? I mean, let's think about it. Most people have what, 5 content pillars? A rotating set of different topics that you tend to post about, right? That way you have variety. But the person that you hooked isn't looking for variety. For example, let's say you posted about team conflict in pillar number 1 there, and you hook somebody. Now they want to go deeper about team conflict, which is what your post is about. So how do you help them scratch that itch then? Well, let's say that you post every other day and you have 5 content pillars. It's going to be 2 weeks before pillar number 1 comes back into rotation. Now, 2 weeks is a long time, and that assumes that you post every other day, which is a lot already. So what if you post only once a week? That means it'll be 5 weeks before you touch pillar number 1 again, which is a long time for all these new followers to wait. So what do you do then? Well, I mean, you can use a hashtag, but some other creator could easily hijack that, right? So what I propose is an index post. Now, an index post is a LinkedIn text post that you create to showcase your top handpicked posts around a very specific content pillar and has links to each post so that the reader can read more like an index. That way, your readers can easily go back and forth between your content. And then every time you create a new post around that content pillar, add a call to action to your index post, something like this. That way, when you hook people, they'll be drawn into your web of top handpicked content on that specific topic. And not only does this help the new reader scratch their itch, it also makes your back catalog of content discoverable, meaning all those posts that you posted weeks, months, years ago can get another chance at generating engagement for you. And who can't use more engagement, right? Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you next time. This is B2B Sales Magic.